y'all, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I don't know if you guys can really hear me or not, but I am at the Chattahoochee Works and I am here doing a food tour. So I'm gonna be letting y'all know what to eat here. I already got my little list. So this the list, y'all. So I don't know how I'm gonna eat all this food, but I'm gonna try, okay? Oh, and I forgot to charge my little battery on the camera, so that's another thing. So yeah, so get ready to eat with me.
Make it right now, though. Got it. After you do it. What am I making? I got the two.
Okay, guys, so I got the refresher, and it has White Claw vodka, pineapple, basil, lemon, and elderflower tonic. It's pretty good. All right, y'all. Let's go tackle this list. I just sat here and started running my mouth. Y'all know how I do. I be talking. So let's tackle the list and see what there is to eat. All right, guys. So I have a falafel. So we're gonna give this a try. Yeah, that's fine, guys. He's Italian. And these are honey wings. Okay. So I am at Chopsticks Hibachi, and I'm gonna try their chicken fried rice. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but they have like homemade yum yum sauce, so I'm gonna put this on the fried rice. All right, y'all, let's get started. Whoa, not me making a mess. Oh, I gotta do that over. I love the sauce. Love the sauce. I'm gonna have to come back.
Yes, thank you, sure.
I ride by here all the time, and I've never came to the food hall. Never. The only place I've been to over here was I've been to Your Third Spot, and then I went to the dog park over here.
Where?
The Your Third Spot. It's like right here.
Oh, you're the 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I've been there, and then a dog park. You should. It's fun.
Well, so what is, I know like the bowling and all that stuff.
It's like an activity place. So you can go and play games. Like they have arcade games. They have like regular games and stuff. And then they have like outdoor. They have like an outdoor thing too.
I want to do all that.
It's good.
You gotta go to that wood somewhere, right?
Huh?
You gotta go to that wood somewhere. It ain't good to go by the
Yeah, it's not a, yeah, no, it's not a solo type deal. But it's definitely fun. That's for sure. I'm gonna have to come back because I only live like 15 minutes from here.
I was there, yo.
And I love hibachi. That's my favorite thing. Uh-huh. Whenever I do hibachi, I usually just drive over to Dunwoody and get hibachi. But now I can come here 15 minutes. Tuesday through Friday. Okay, Tuesday through Friday. Oh, so y'all not open on the weekend? Oh, okay. Oh, you don't work on the weekend. Hey, that's a nice schedule. So I have the salmon bites. All right, let's eat these and see what they hitting on.
Oh, that's the flower shop. Okay.
They give you samples at the
What do you say for the taco? I want to say
What they give you?
My little flower right here.
That's great.
Oh, I kind of broke right here now. But, yeah. Huh? They do.
Oh, I know. Every day.
Oh, that's good.
Are you gonna feed her?
Is that for y'all?
Why you looking at me like that?
Girl, I was gonna feed you before you even asked for something. Happy day.
They're good too.
I knew you were hungry. You can't see me.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
This sauce got, is it the seasoning and the sauce that got a little kick to it, or just the sauce?
But there is it's a little bit of agency.
On the salmon?
In the season.
They're good.
Honey garlic. It's sure good.
Ooh. Yeah, this is good. Hey guys, so I have some new tastings. So I have this burger here, and it's from, let me see, it is from Patty and Frank's.
What's up, my guy? Is this for the pasta?
Alright, so then I also have a smoked barbecue parfait.
Can I holler at you?
It has baked beans, mac and cheese, and turkey. And then I have some rasta pasta. I haven't started eating yet.
Well, let's go. Let's go some.
Look, I'm recording right here.
Okay. We got the pretty girls out here. Okay. And they eating carbs today. Okay. So we already know.
Oh, I eat carbs every day. Yeah, I did. This is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get out your shot.
Okay. Nice meeting you. Alrighty. Let's get to eating. Alright, we're gonna try the burger first. I don't want tomato on mine. Good. Alright, let's try this.
You don't have no choice, right?
Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna be messy.
Eating good tonight,
Thank you, baby. I appreciate you.
Yeah, I like this. I'll tell him, y'all. Oh, woo. Yeah, that's it. I'm not making that. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. don't like that. I don't like that. Alright.
How you like it? I told you if you make the restaurant, it's not cool.
It's different.
What you say?
I like that. My only thing, I like spicy.
We like it really.
So the other place I go to, they don't make theirs spicy either. So I always have to add red pepper flakes.
Yeah, I had to keep it simple because I didn't know.
Which makes sense. So one time I went to this other Jamaican spot. Called myself getting spicy. It was spicy.
Yeah.
It was definitely.
I can't.
Uh-huh.
I want to say, you want to add some oxtail sauce?
Sure. Uh-huh. I'm not gonna turn down no oxtail sauce.
That's oxtail.
Let me grab my. My spider sense is starting to go off. Saying, hold on, this seems like.
Listen, you definitely probably got some senses because as soon as the scoop was poured, you came around that corner so
I ain't
fast.
stick for no reason, okay? Hey, thank you so
I'm
much.
done for the night.
I appreciate it.
Ooh.
It's good.
With a little oxtail on top.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to hide this from my boyfriend. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Is this an option to order?
It's not an option. Not yet.
This needs to be an option.
It needs to be
On Monday, yes.
Next Monday it'll be on.
Next Monday.
This Monday, right?
This Monday. Yeah. That definitely need to be an option.